Hey curious, welcome to the Gadget Facts. Ever wondered how that sleek smartphone in your hand is made? Right, so you want to make a smartphone. Can't just whack it together with some sticky tape and hope for the best. First, you need ideas. Designers, they're like the artists. They sketch, they doodle, they imagine sleek lines and cool colors. What will this phone look like? How will it feel in your hand? Then, the engineers step in. They take those dreamy sketches and turn them into cold, hard blueprints. These blueprints are like the phone's instruction manual. They tell the factory robots exactly what to build and how to build it. Every button, every port, every little detail is planned out. Think of it like building a house, but instead of bricks and mortar, you're using tiny circuits and screens. It's a complicated business, this design lark. But get it right, and you've got yourself a smartphone that people will queue around the block for. Get it wrong, and, well, let's not think about that. Okay, blueprints are done. Now for the fun part, making the bits that make the phone work. First up, the processor, or the brain, if you will. These are made in special factories, using teeny tiny transistors, smaller than a flea's eyebrow. They do all the thinking, the calculating, the app running. Next, the memory, where all your photos, music, and cat videos go. This is like the phone's filing cabinet, storing everything neatly so you can find it later, hopefully. Then the cameras, tiny lenses and sensors that capture the world around you in megapixels. Did you know some smartphones have more cameras than a security van? It's true. And let's not forget the screen, the window to the digital world. These are made with liquid crystals, sandwiched between glass. They're incredibly thin and surprisingly tough. You try stuffing that in your pocket, Victorian era folks. Now, we've got all the bits. Time to put them together. This is where the assembly line comes in. Imagine a giant futuristic factory with conveyor belts whizzing around. Robots, like something out of a sci-fi film, swing into action. They pick up components with their suction cup hands and slot them into place with pinpoint accuracy. But it's not all robots. Humans are still needed for the fiddly bits, attaching delicate cables, testing the buttons, making sure everything's shipshape. It's a real team effort, robots and humans working side by side, like a well-oiled, technologically advanced machine. And just like that, piece by piece, the smartphone starts to take shape. A circuit board here, a screen there, a battery to keep it all powered up. It's like watching a magic trick, but instead of a rabbit, you get a pocket-sized supercomputer. Section 4, quality check. Ensuring your phone works perfectly. Right, the phone's built, but we can't just chuck it in a box and hope for the best. Oh no, it's time for testing, rigorous testing. The kind of testing that would make a drill sergeant proud. First, they check the buttons. Do they click? Do they respond? Do they do what they're supposed to? Then, the screen. Is it bright enough? Are the colors accurate? Does it respond to your touch? No throwing the phone in frustration, please. They even test the cameras in special light boxes, making sure the photos are crystal clear. And don't even get me started on the drop tests. Phones are dropped from various heights onto different surfaces, just to make sure they can survive the odd tumble. It's a tough world out there for a smartphone, but hey, at least they're prepared. Section 5. Boxed up, packaging and delivery to stores. The phone has survived the testing gauntlet. It's a survivor. Now, it needs to be dressed for success. Enter the packaging department, where phones are carefully placed in sleek boxes, along with their chargers, cables, and instruction manuals, which nobody reads, let's be honest. These boxes are then stacked onto pallets, ready to be shipped all over the world. Trucks, trains, planes, even boats. These phones travel in style, all to reach your eager hands. And finally, after a journey that would make Phileas Fogg weep, they arrive at their destination, the shop shelves, ready to be purchased, unboxed, and put to good use. Mostly for scrolling through social media, let's be honest again. Section 6. Magic in your pocket. Smartphones and the modern world. So, there you have it. The journey of a smartphone. From a twinkle in a designer's eye to the palm of your hand. It's a marvel of modern technology, this little device. Think about it. You've got a powerful computer, a high-definition camera, a music player, and a portal to the entire internet, all in your pocket. You can video call your nan in Australia, order a pizza with a few taps, even control your heating from miles away. The things you can do with a smartphone are truly mind-boggling. It's like having a magic wand, only less splintery, and you can't turn anyone into a toad. So next time you're scrolling through cat videos on your phone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get there. The design, the engineering, the manufacturing, the testing. It's a testament to human ingenuity, all crammed into a device that fits comfortably in your pocket. Amazing, isn't it? If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.